In this lesson, we're going to take a look at how to print from your iPad. Now, we're in the Mail app right now, and I'm just going to use this as an example. The Mail app, Safari, and a variety of different apps, depending on the specific app, many of them let you print. And you do have to have a compatible printer that is compatible with Apple's iPad wireless printing system, AirPrint. And so you'll have to look up and see if you can just like Google AirPrint compatible printers, for example, and that will give you a current list of compatible printers. Not all printers are going to work with it, just FYI. So in Mail, basically, we're just going to go to the arrow here, tap that, and there's the print button. Tap that, and then we can select a printer. And if you only have one, it may already have pre-selected the printer, but I have two available, so I'm going to tap that, and it shows me the two printers, a Brother and HP, and I'm going to tap that second one. We then have one option to set first before we actually print, and we can add however many copies we want to print. Unfortunately, at least at the time I'm recording this, there is no way to selectively print certain pages. It prints the entire document, but you can print one copy or multiple copies at least, and then you just tap the print button. Now we're just going to look at a real quick second example of how to print from your iPad, and I'm just going to show you the second example because the method is not exactly the same. There's a slight difference, and for some people it may be enough to throw them, and I just wanted to demonstrate. So in Safari, this is the Safari app. I just happened to be looking at a page on my website, just as an example. And so in Safari, you're going to look for, instead of the arrow like you saw that curves to the left, that looks like a reply button that you saw in the Mail app that we just looked at, here, and more commonly in most apps, it's actually going to look like this icon, this icon that you see in a lot of different apps that gives you various a menu of various options. It's a square with an arrow pointing off to the right. If you tap that, once again, there's print. Works the same way from that point onwards. You tap the print button, you select the printer if necessary, or as you can see here, it has remembered what I printed previously, what I printed to previously. You can choose the number of copies, and then you tap print, and that's it.